Are cracked, dry heels making you uncomfortable and self-conscious? You don't need to spend a fortune at salons to get smooth, soft feet. Let's create your own overnight cracked heel repair balm using pure, natural ingredients. Beeswax acts as a seal to lock in moisture, while coconut oil and castor oil deeply hydrate the skin. Shea butter softens the roughest patches, and vitamin E repairs skin damage. Gently melt and blend these ingredients together, then store your balm in a small glass jar. Before bedtime, massage it generously into your heels. Put on soft socks, and let it work its magic overnight. By morning, you'll notice a visible difference: healed, smooth, baby soft heels that feel brand new. Try this DIY foot care routine and say goodbye to cracked heels for good. Glowing skin is just a remedy away. If you loved today's natural beauty tip, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Skin Maker Lab for more glowing secrets every week. Hit the bell icon too,